What's up, YouTubers? We got a cold one today and a windy one. I got the kayak today. Finally got my lower unit on, put on a new shaft. So you guys saw I was on the John boat the last two times I was out. Anyways, they had a big old bass tournament out here last Saturday. I think it was either BFL or MFL, one of those. And so I think I'm just gonna hang tight around this area here at the boat launch and see if I can catch some of those tournament fish. The wind is supposed to pick up, so I don't feel like making a long run just in case, you know, I'm gonna have a hard time getting back. So we're gonna hang around here, but we'll see. We'll play it out, and if it's not as bad, I might make that run. All right, let me get launching. Let's go. That wind is picking up already, guys. At least I got a nice sunrise. Oh yeah, I don't know about going out far. Got some white caps over here. Yeah, that's pretty sketchy. All right, we're here now, so I'm gonna give it a shot. The only thing I can think about throwing right now is this Carolina rig because all this wind. Woo. Grass. Yeah. I know there's some grass right there. It's definitely in the grass. Oh, that's a decent one too, man. Yeah, buddy. It's a big old spot. Good fish. Fish right here. Yeah. On a Carolina rig. Yeah, it's good size for Lake Norman. Thank you, dude. All right, let's go find some place where there is sun. Oh, have to get out of that wind for a little bit. That was brutal. Oh man, dude was way down there. Interesting. Deep in my 6 feet. Okay. I was still checking the wind. Thank you, dude. I'm still checking the wind. It's not gonna slow down any, so I'm still debating if I want to make a long run or not. And then this guy was just running off with my Senko. Yeah, I try to get out there, but it's kind of sketchy. Look at all these white caps. I'm riding these waves like literally. Oh man. Jeez, this is what this shearwater is built for. But I am not gonna risk going out there in the main lake. Oh man. That had to be the most craziest boat ride I've ever been on. Jeez. Oh man. Thought I was gonna capsize a couple of times. Whew. Okay, we're here now. Whew. Barely. Okay. Thank you so much for biting, dude. Working for these fish today. Thank you, dude. Number 4. Yeah. Not bad. Someone's got it. Yep. He was a little finicky. Couldn't decide if you want to eat it or not. Stop. Spots fight hard. Did not feel that bite. My line just started moving. Just Thank you, dude. Oh, shit. Oh. These spots fight hard. As hard as like these smallmouths, man. Jeez. Alright. Thank you, dude. Work for these guys today. We just want the shaky head today. Oh, this is wild. This wind hasn't let off yet. It's been like this all morning. When we looked at it, it says 5 to 16 miles per hour with gusts of 31. Woo! Yeah, this is really all gusts. Oh man. Spot lock. All right, ladies and gents, that is it for the day. We are off the water, and that wind is still going, man. It's not even letting off yet. Made it very difficult to fish, but regardless, we did catch a few, mostly on the Shakeyhead. One early this morning, it was a Carolina rig, and then one on the Senko, I think. Man, I had fun. Even though it was tough, I enjoyed that challenge. Till next time, you guys, stay warm, stay safe. Peace out.